Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Tutorial YouTube channel with new lecture. I am gonna show you here a very important topic for today. What is the grade of concrete and water cement ratio for different type of grade? How much water is required? I am going to explain here for today. Grade of concrete. The different grades of concrete are M10, M15, M20, M25, etc. Here, first of all, we have to understand this term, what M stands for. Where M stands for, M stands for nominal mix. Where this five number stands for characteristics, compressive strength, of concrete for 28 days. Here I have explained this term M5, where M stands for nominal mix and 5 the number stands for characteristics compressive strength of concrete for 28 days. This strength of concrete is 5 Newton per mm square for 20 days if it is checked with the compressive machine. And I am going to make one table to explain the different grades of concrete and mix ratio. Okay. Hello friends, now I am going to explain about the different grades and mix ratio. Okay, here the grades of concrete, and here I am going to make one other column of mix ratio. Here I am going to write the different grades of concrete: M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25, and the corresponding mix ratio here I am going to write in this column. Mix ratio. The mix ratio is the mixture of the ratio of cement required, sand required, and aggregate required for different grades of concrete. Okay, the mix ratio of M5 is 1:, simply I am going to write 1:5:10. Similarly, the mix ratio of 7.5 is 1:4:8. You can also look this mix ratio from different IS codes, or you can simply understand this by, if here is 5, we goes on decreasing by 1 and here by 2. And similarly I am going to write to the mix ratio of M10 1:3:6. Similarly M15, it is 1:2:4. Similarly M20 is equal to 1:1.5. Here it is changed little bit because in M20 there is a little difference of this sand ratio. Okay, this here is equal to 3. Okay, for M25 it depends upon the water M25, it is 1:2. Okay, and this much for the mix ratio and the grade of different concrete. And I am going to make another table for different grades and what are the water required for the different grades of concrete. Here this column is same for calculating the water cement ratio or water required for the cement. Okay, I am going to write here water required per bag 50 kg cement. Here the water required per bag for 50 kg cement for M5 is 60 liter, and similarly for M75 it is 45 liter. It is also liter, and for M10 it is 34 liter. For M15 it is 32 liter. For M20 it is 30 liter, and for M25 it is slightly different. It is what it will depend on the water required will depend on the work. This for M25 water required depend upon the construction, upon work or construction. Finally this much is for this video, and please like and subscribe our channel for more future updates.